Did you know Windows 11 now comes with a built-in screen recorder? Yes. You don't need any third-party apps like OBS or ScreenRec anymore. Microsoft has added a brand new screen recording feature directly inside the Snipping tool, making it easier than ever to record your screen, capture tutorials, or share gameplay clips instantly. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. This opens the Snipping tool, the same one you use for screenshots. Step 2. On the toolbar, click the camera icon to switch from screenshot to recording mode. Step 3. Now, select the area of the screen you want to record. You can drag your cursor to mark the recording region. Step 4. Click on the Start button to begin recording. If you want to record your voice too, simply turn on the microphone before you start. Step 5. Once you're done, click the Stop button. Your recording will automatically open in the Snipping tool for preview. Step 6. You can then click Open in Clipchamp to edit your recording, trim, add text, or background music. Or, you can use any other video editor of your choice. And that's it. With this latest Windows 11 feature, you can record your screen effortlessly, no downloads, no setup, and no third-party tools required. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video, and happy recording.